A boarding school in Vermont has had a strange tradition since 1952, sealing off one classroom door every year with just a plaque and a date, no explanation. There are 71 sealed doors in that building right now, and staff won't talk about why. A former student eventually dug up old maintenance records through a public archive request. Turns out, each sealed door lines up with a year a student went missing from the school. Always the same week in October, always with zero official explanation. One researcher left a recorder running overnight, just to see. The playback had no echo, exactly as expected. But underneath his own voice was a faint whisper, saying something in a language nobody on the team has ever been able to identify. Follow for part 2. What happened when they finally translated the whisper?